Welcome back. Becoming a full-stack Python developer requires a combination of technical skills, practical experience, and continuous learning. Here are 10 tips to help you on your journey. Let's start with tip number 1. Learn the fundamentals. Start by mastering the fundamentals of Python programming, including data types, control structures such as if-else, loop construct, functions, and object-oriented programming concepts. Strong foundational knowledge is necessary and will be a solid base for your full-stack development skills. Tip number 2. Understand web technologies. Familiarize yourself with the core web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Understanding how these technologies work together will help you develop dynamic web applications effectively. Tip number 3. Choose a framework. Python offers web frameworks like Django and Flask that simplify web development tasks. Choose a framework that best fits your project requirements and invest time in learning it thoroughly. Tip number 4. Database knowledge. Gain proficiency in working with databases, particularly relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. Learn how to design database schemas, write efficient queries, and understand database design basic concepts like normalization. Tip number 5. Front-end development. Develop your front-end skills by learning popular front-end frameworks and libraries like React and Angular. Understanding front-end development will allow you to create visually appealing and user-friendly web interfaces. Tip number 6. Version control and build tool. Learn how to use version control systems like Git. It will help you track changes, collaborate with other developers, and manage your codebase efficiently. Also, need to learn to build tools such as Maven and PyBuilder for continuous integration and continuous development, CI/CD. CI/CD has become a very common project build and deployment process, particularly for large enterprise projects. Tip number 7. API development. Learn how to build and consume APIs using frameworks like Flask or Django REST framework. This knowledge will enable you to create robust and scalable web services. Tip number 8. Cloud services. Familiarize yourself with cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, or Microsoft Azure. Understanding cloud services and deployment options will be beneficial for hosting your applications. Tip number 9. Testing and debugging. Learn how to write automated tests for your code using testing frameworks like PyTest. Additionally, develop effective debugging skills to identify and fix issues quickly. Tip number 10. Continuous learning. The technology landscape is ever evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated with the latest tools, frameworks, and best practices. Follow relevant blogs, participate in online communities, and work on personal projects to continue expanding your skill set. Remember, becoming a full-stack developer is a journey that requires time, dedication, and hands-on experience. Embrace the process and keep challenging yourself to grow as a top-notch full-stack Python developer.